go-to place, which is her pillow, for downstairs in the house, for doorbell greetings, or if you have generalized company. It also helps to keep the dogs out of mischief when they're bored and have nothing to do. In Maya's case, she likes to chew things, so now we've given her a place to go, whereas to keep her a little bit more out of trouble. So what we want to do here is take a look at her progress. She has been in her board and train program for 7 days. We're working on her kind of cleaning up some of the area. Although she responds, she's a little bit on the low level and slow side based on her temperament. So what we want to do is just go ahead and give you an example of how well she's done up until this point. So, stay. Go to your pillow. So she can now be sent to her pillow and expected to go there and hold that position until she has been released. All done. The other thing that she's working on is giving automatic sits for her come, and if we are walking in a heel position, should you stop, that would be something that she would automatically offer. So here's an example of that. Let's go. Very good girl. Keep in mind that she is a family pet, so we're not looking for the perfection and as far as perfect sits and the perfect heel position as in competition. We simply want the response to be appropriate for her to follow when she's being called and to offer that sit position. Let's go. Go to your pillow. Good girl. Gotta ring the doorbell. There you go. Maya, go to your pillow. Stay. Oh, hi. How are you? It's nice to see you. Why don't you come in? I hope you're not afraid of dogs. Okay. Come on, Breezy. There we go. You can just kind of pan over. Stay. So what we're doing here is we have addict dogs that don't have doorbell behavior as added distractions, and certainly a person that Maya's never met. So she's holding her position on her pillow, which is what she's been trained to do when the doorbell rings, until she's released. All done. Good girl. Yes, that's a good girl.